Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Instagram keeps stopping. For example, if you open Instagram and it automatically comes back, which means it is not opening, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the Instagram. After that, you have to click on app info. After that, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply click on the force stop here. After clicking on the force stop, what you have to do next is you have to click on storage and cache. After that, you have to simply click on the clear cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can click on clear storage, and which means you have to simply clear the storage of your Instagram app. After doing all the things, what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are using internet data connection or Wi-Fi connection, you have to check it is working properly or not. After doing all the things, the problem is still there, then you can go for the next trick, which is as you have to simply open the Play Store or the iOS store if you are App Store if you are using iOS device, and here you have to simply search for Instagram here. If you search Instagram and it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply click on update and you have to update your Instagram app. After updating the Instagram app, so you have to wait for some time so that Instagram has been updated. As you can see, my Instagram app has been updated, so I'm going to click on open. If I click on open, then my Instagram app has been opened. So in this way you can solve the problem. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.